Oh my God, they killed Kenny. You bastards. Screw you guys. I'm going home. I'm not fat. I'm festively plump. Howdy ho. Drugs are bad. Okay. I am a cop, and you will respect my authority. A ring that says you'd be together but not have sex. Isn't that called a wedding ring? When a chick says, we need to talk, you might as well start punching yourself in the balls, dude. Don't do drugs, kids. There is a time and place for everything. It's called college. Without evil, there could be no good. So it must be good to be evil sometimes. No, that's wrong, Cartman. But don't worry, there are no stupid answers, just stupid people. Bye.